Hi everyone, this is Ashley Techie Ellenboss with Sky House Herb School and Apothecary, and I'm in the garden today and just wanted to show you a nice recipe that you might be interested in using some herbs that are native to this region. So I have the herbs that I'm going to show you today are to make a smudge ball, and a smudge ball can be used for lung conditions. It can be used if you have any sort of difficulty breathing, if you have mucus or phlegm, and just thinking about COVID and the times we're living in, this would be just a really nice thing to know about in case you do get sick or you really want to help strengthen your lungs. So this was a recipe that was taught by Tismal Crow, who is a Muskogee medicine man from the Muskogee tribe, and he recommends doing this as a smudge ball to burn and to hi birds and to utilize for lung health, but also to clear away anger, to help sort of just clear the air. So it can also be just used in fumigation. So what you'll need are 2 mullein leaves, and so mullein leaves, you can probably find them along the roadside. They're hairy and quite beautiful, very, very soft. And you'll take 2 mullein leaves, and then you'll need 2 flower heads of Monarda. And I have Monarda didyma, which is the red variety. And then this is another didyma variety, which is fuchsia. Monarda fistulosa can definitely be used, and that has a light purple colored flower. So you'll take your 2 mullein leaves and then your 2 flower heads, and then you'll take a small piece of cedar and place that on top. And then you'll bundle this together. So I'm just going to fold it in like here, fold it over, and then fold the bottom up. So I make a little bundle. And then I'll just squeeze it into a ball. And you could take some twine and maybe tie it up a little bit, but it actually squishes quite nicely into a little ball. And then you'll let it sit for about a day and let it kind of dry out a little bit. And then once it's dry, you just add fire. You can put it into a burning bowl or into a seashell, and you'll let it burn and start to fumigate the space. And then specifically for the lungs, if you have dry lung issues going on, you can go into your bathroom, turn on the hot water, steam up the bathroom, and burn it. So you're getting that damp steam as well as the smoke. And if you have really damp lungs and a lot of mucus, then you can just burn it and then just breathe the smoke in directly. So you're getting more of the drying qualities of the plant. And this is just a very, a very simple and very easy way to just get a lot of good antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, lung opening or bronchodilating medicines, and long, herbs that have a long history of use for the lungs. So I hope that was interesting. Tell me what you think. Have you ever tried this before? And what other herbs do you use for strengthening lung health? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys all later. And check out my YouTube channel. I've got a lot more on Monarda fistulosa coming up if you want to learn more. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.